So today I brought these seedlings, these Agapanthus seedlings that I grew from my own saved seeds, up from home from my Super 7. I'm going to try and pot them on. I have no idea what I'm doing, never done this before, but we'll have a go. This is what I'm going to put them in. This is my homemade compost that I'm going to riddle through that sieve and use that as a basis for its compost. So let's give that a go. Okay, it looks pretty nice now, that stuff. Let's take it from there. So I'm going to try them in these 7cm pots. Let's just make room for the where the teaspoon comes in, so I don't do too much damage getting them out. I think you can see that one. Try and get it at the same level as they came out of the Super 7 tray. I'm just going to leave these in my greenhouse here. I don't think they need heat as much as light more than anything, and greenhouse is the best place for the light. So I'll carry on until I've done all of those. So this is what the seedlings look like. They're just one long, fairly long, thick taproot. There's no other roots on it yet. So I noticed some of them are starting to get the second leaf. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Try to find where the level is. It's quite easy. Press down at the corners, underpin it with compost, and that's simple as that. So there we have it, a dozen Agapanthus seedlings potted on, bricked out and potted on. 7 centimetre pots. Stragglers are here. I suppose they'll all make it, so even though there's a dozen, I think I'll be lucky to end up with 3 or 4. But we'll see how they get on. I did contemplate watering these in, but it's a bit cold for that at the moment, so I might there's moisture in the compost anyway, so I'm not going to at the moment, and we'll just see how they fare for a few days before I consider that. Okay.